How we doing, everybody? I only got one minute trade, which I will show you here on the first day of May. So because it's such an uneventful one, I did have a YouTube comment yesterday asking to see a breakdown of April. So here you go. Okay, so here is the trade for today. And you may be looking at this right now. You see the short up here and the immediate cover here, and then this giant dump off and be saying, Justin, what the heck happened? Well, I'll tell you, I did get in 2,000 shares short here at 119, but then immediately IB ran out of shares. So at that point, I didn't want to get stuck in a situation where I couldn't play it how I wanted to. So I just put a stop after this little red candle. I was like, maybe it comes down here and I can get it off, but otherwise I'm just going to put a stop basically right at break even. It did come up, cover me out for an $18 loss, and then you can see it made a big 40-cent dump from there. So it is what it is. Tried it, but when the shares run out, there's not a lot you can do.
Hey guys, are you tired of using the same old stock market scanner and getting the same old results? Add some intensity to your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner. The intensity indicator is the only predictive price action indicator that alerts before significant reversals, allowing trade management with unprecedented timing and accuracy. Now with this exclusive link and code GDTISW, you can get 20 to 30% off every month on your subscription. It's time to finally get the results you've been looking for and intensify your trading with the Intensity Stock Watch Scanner.
All right, so here is the calendar for April. As you guys know, or maybe you don't know if you were following along, I did have a really good start to the month. I was up, $1,700, almost $1,800 there in that first few days of April, and then I got that Tesla trade there. Lost about 5,000 or so on that Tesla trade when the charts were lagging and it was all messed up. Still my fault. Still my fault. If you guys want to go watch about it, still watch it. It's still on the channel, of course. But yeah, took a big losing day that day, which then put me in the hole. And the goal for the rest of the month was to get back to green on the month and go from there. So you can see I had 0 actually red trades the rest of the month. So got back to plus about 1,800 gross. I'll break it down in the other view and show you the net. All right, so here is the net. As I was telling you, it's a bit less, 1,356 net. I did trade a lot more shares this time around, so a little bit lower there on the net than on the gross, but still 97% win percentage. So had I just been able to control that loser a little bit better, still would have had a much better month. Still a green month, so I guess I can't complain about the fact that I was able to get back to a green month. But, is what it is. Definitely the smallest month of the year so far. Still on pace for the goal for the year. Hopefully May can turn out a little bit better, even though I'm off to that small $18 loss so far. All right, and for the net on the year, you can see 127 total trades so far, a 2.76 profit factor, a 94.5% wins percentage, which is about 4% higher than I've been over the last couple years. Generally right around 90%, so I like seeing that. And then cumulative net return of $12,100 in the first 4 months, which, if you guys know what my goal was to hit 30,000 this year in trading. So I'm a quarter of the way through the year. I'm over a third of, well, no, I should say I'm a third of the way through the year. I'm over a third of my way to the goal. So that means I'm just a little bit ahead. Would like to be further ahead, but, if you put that together, I'm on pace right now for 36,000 this year. So I would be happy if I got to that at the end of the year. I'm going to keep trying to push further and try and get more than that, obviously, but this is where I'm at right now. So if you guys are interested in using TraderSync, there is a link down in the description below. I believe they have 50% off right now. If you want to join me in the room with the rest of the guys from TMISW, which gets me to these results, then make sure you check that out as well. GarageDayTrader.com. Hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit better on the trading front. I am going to miss the open tomorrow, so we'll see. But that's it. That's April. Let's go.